In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund on Flyadeal, step-by-step guide to Flyadeal FAQ refund process. Let's keep this simple and clear. First, open your browser and go to the Flyadeal Help Center page called Submit a Request. This is the official form Flyadeal uses to collect refund information. Make sure you're on the Help Center site and that the page title mentions submitting a request, so you know you're in the right place. If you have the link handy, open it directly. Otherwise, you can search for Flyadeal Help Center and navigate to the refund request form from there. Once you're on the form, you'll be asked to enter your details. Start with the refund reason. There's a drop-down with options like exceptional circumstance, CFR, and involuntary cancellation. Choose the option that best matches your situation. Exceptional circumstance typically covers things like serious illness or bereavement when you have the proper documentation. CFR stands for cancel for any reason and should be selected only if you purchase that add-on. Involuntary cancellation applies when the airline cancels or significantly changes your flight. Picking the right reason helps the team process your request faster and reduces follow-up questions. Next, fill in your personal information. Enter your full name exactly as it appears on your booking and your passport or national ID number as requested. You'll also need your bank details, usually the IBAN, for the refund transfer. Take your time here. It's worth copying the IBAN directly from your banking app or statement to avoid typos. Ensure the account holder name matches the passenger or the name the airline requires for refunds, as mismatches can delay processing. If you're claiming under illness or bereavement, attach the relevant supporting documents. Clear scans or photos work as long as everything is readable. Use commonly accepted file types like PDF or JPEG. Keep the file size reasonable, and make sure dates, names, and official stamps are visible. Only include documents that are required and relevant to your claim to keep the review straightforward. Before you send the form, review everything carefully, confirm the refund reason is correct, your personal details match your booking, and your attachments are clear. When you're satisfied, click Submit. After submitting, you should see a confirmation on the screen, and you may receive an email acknowledging your request with a reference number. Keep that number in a safe place. Processing times can vary based on the reason and the volume of requests, so be patient and monitor your inbox, including your spam or junk folder, in case the airline needs more information.